Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to connect your Cash App to the Wells Fargo account. So first of all, you need to open your Cash App. Then you need to click your profile icon on the top right corner. Now you need to scroll a little bit down and you will see linked banks right here. You need to click it. So you need to click this plus icon right here, linked the debit card. And we need to select no card question mark on the bottom. Then we need to click continue. And from this list, we need to find Wells Fargo, which is on the top. If you don't see it on this list, you can use the search bar and type Wells Fargo inside the search. So when you find Wells Fargo, you need to click it. Then you need to click this continue button and it will ask you to log into your Wells Fargo account. After that, it will ask you for the verification and it's done, guys. You will link your Wells Fargo account to your Cash App. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.